What's up guys, Brendan Hancock here with another episode of Evanston Subaru today. And today we've brought along this 2020 Subaru Outback. And today we're gonna show you guys how to pair your phone, either iPhone or Android device, to Bluetooth on your 2020 or 2021 Subaru vehicle. Let's go take a look. All right, so we're gonna take a look at both an iPhone and Android device, but the first device I have here is the Android. So this is a Samsung. We haven't paired the phone to Bluetooth yet. Now on Androids, sometimes it can vary ever so slightly, between how it is, but in my experience, and I've dealt with a lot of phones, pretty much exactly the same on how you're gonna pair your phone to Bluetooth. So what we're gonna do, on this phone I just swiped up, and that's gonna kind of bring up all of my apps that I have here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Settings, so I tap on Settings, and what I'm looking for is it's gonna say Connections, and so I'll see, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, and airplane mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on Bluetooth, or connections, I mean. And then right here, it's gonna say, do you wanna turn Bluetooth on? I have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, phone visibility. So I'm gonna turn Bluetooth to the on position. Now, just because it's on, doesn't mean that it's actively searching for a network. So I do need to tap on Bluetooth. Then I'll see all of the lists of paired devices. Once I'm on this page, I'm gonna immediately hit phone up here. It's gonna say, would you like to add a device? I'm gonna say yes. And you kinda need to be quick with that. So as soon as it starts that scan process, I need to basically hit, search for a thing there. So right here, I see Subaru. I've tapped on that. It still shows that it's searching here, but I have paired to it, perfect. So now I see this PIN number that shows up here, 813284, same PIN number here, so I can make sure I'm pairing to the same one. I just need to hit OK, I don't need to type it in. All right, so now it's saying, would you like to allow access to your messages? So I'm gonna go ahead and hit allow. It's now showing up over here, would I like to transfer my contacts? Yes, I would. The reason for that is because you're going to want to, and I had to hit allow access to contacts on here too. That's so you can make your phone calls, or if someone calls you, you're able to know that, who's calling you. It's not just gonna say 847 ... So perfect, so now I'm fully connected. It's gonna show me right up here, if I tap on, I can see that Bluetooth is connected. I see my battery life and everything's good there. So we're all good to go. Now I can actually just hit the voice button, say call whoever I want. If I go over here to this, I can see my recent calls, my favorites, my phone book, my text messages. I can go to keypad, very simple. And also if I want to listen to music, I can just go up here to media, make sure I select Bluetooth audio. I could hit browse and select any type of music here. He might not have Google Music on here, so if he doesn't, that's probably why you can't do the browse. But for most things, with Bluetooth, you really do kind of have to, go on here and physically hit play for whatever it is that you want to play. But if you don't have a cable and aren't able to use, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, still able to do quite a bit using Bluetooth. So we already took a look at how to pair the Android device, so now we're going to take a look at how to pair the iPhone. So with an iPhone, very, very simple. They're all going to pretty much be exactly the same, so there's not as much variation between as there can be with the Android devices. So what we're doing here is we're just going to go to Settings, and when you're on Settings here, you're going to see airplane mode, Wi-Fi, and then Bluetooth. So I currently have Bluetooth turned off, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to turn Bluetooth on, and you want to be kind of quick here. So once I turn Bluetooth on, it's going to automatically start scanning. So I want to immediately then go up here and hit phone. So I turn Bluetooth on, I hit phone, it says there's no device paired, would you like to connect one? I hit yes, and then I'm going to wait a little bit. Perfect, so now it's going to show me this PIN number, and it's going to also show it on there. So I'm going to hit join, perfect. And now it's going to ask me if I want to sync my contacts, kind of asking me permission in both places. So I hit yes, yes, and there we go. We're all set. Now, one thing with iPhones is you do need to allow access for text messages. So what you'll do with that is just go to, there's a little blue eye directly to the right of where it says, Subaru. So I just tap on that and then turn on show notifications. So that's really all that you do there. So once you're connected to Bluetooth, if you go up here to phone, you'll get your recent calls, your favorites. I don't have any favorites set up, but your phone book, your text messages, your keypad, all of that stuff. So same thing with the Android, as I mentioned. I mean, you have the same abilities. You can make your phone calls, just receive them, You can receive text messages pretty well. And then you can also, like I said, if you go up here to media, you'll be able to get all your music that you can play through the speakers. You just need to physically go in and hit play for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys found this video to be helpful. Now, for more helpful videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video specifically, just give us a like below. Now, to check out our most up-to-date inventory for both new and pre-owned vehicles, visit our website at evanstonsubaru.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys next time on Evanston Subaru Today. Take care.